Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix YouTube auto translate subtitles not working on your iPhone or Android device while you are playing a video on YouTube. For example, if you are playing a video on YouTube and if you try to use auto subtitles on your iPhone or Android while playing a video on your YouTube videos and that subtitles are not working, then how you can fix that? For example, if you play a video and after that, if you try to play the subtitle video with subtitles, as you can see, I turned on the captions, and if it is shows auto generated caption, but it doesn't show any caption while playing the video. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply first play the video, and here you can simply check the captions are showing or not. If they are not showing any caption, and if you have checked for any specific language and it doesn't show any kind of auto translated subtitles or caption, so here you have to go to settings, and after that you have to go to caption. And if it doesn't show, sometimes video doesn't support any kind of caption. But if the video already has the caption and it is not showing any kind of caption, even you have turned on the caption for different language. So here you can simply search for different languages. For example, if I search for a different language captions, as you try to turn on the caption, as you can see that language captions are not showing. So if you try to change the language, the captions are not working. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply first of all, go to the App Store, and in the App Store, if you have iPhone device and if you have Android, then you have to go to the Play Store and you have to first of all update your YouTube app. For this, you have to simply search for the YouTube app on your App Store, and after that, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. And if it is not showing any kind of update, then you have to simply go to the settings, and here you have to go to the general, and after that, you have to go to iPhone storage. And here you have to look for the YouTube app, and you have to simply offload the app. After offloading the app, you have to try to reinstall the app. This will clear any kind of error. So if the problem is still there, then you can simply take the screenshot of the problem and report it to the YouTube support, and after that they will connect to you and solve the problem for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.